On this video, I'm going to show you the latest updates on Go High Level social media planners. If you're ready, let's begin. So the first thing is you need to sign in with your Go High Level account, go to the marketing section and click social planner. Once you are on the social media planner, you can add multiple accounts. As I mentioned, Go High Level is the best software to manage social media accounts because number one, you can add unlimited social media platform. Speaking of social media platform, you can also manage here Facebook, Instagram, Google My Business, LinkedIn, X, TikTok, and Pinterest. And recently, they just added YouTube channel. So yes, you can manage your YouTube short and your videos on YouTube using the Go High Level Social Planner. The second best thing about social media planner of Go High Level is aside from you can add multiple account, you can also unlimited manage social media planner. So it's perfect for marketing agency or for business owners like yourself. If you want to learn more about Go High Level, please comment it below if you have any questions or probably you have challenges when you are using the Go High Level. Feel free to comment it below and maybe your comment or your questions will be my next video. So let's continue. Let's go to the orientation or the view. So you have two views here. The first one is the list. So it's easy for you to check what are the social media postings that are already published and your social media posting that is scheduled. It's arranged according to dates. However, you can also view your scheduled postings by calendar. So here you go. This is how it looks like as a calendar view. On the calendar view, you will see your posting that is published. It says published Monday, October 7, October 11, and it says published. There's one posting here that says scheduled. But what I want to show you here is how to view the social media. Let's say, for example, this one is already posted and you want to view this posting on your social media platform. It's super easy by clicking the three dot, go, go to the preview, and it will pop up the link. So here you go. This is my actual social media account. This is the social media posting. These are the graphic, and as you can see. Then here, you can also view this one on the right side. Click view. You will see here how it looks like if it is posted on social media accounts. So for this one, Facebook, it will look like this in social media, and that's it, right? Another thing that I love about Go High Level Social Media Planner is you can easily clone the posting and reschedule this to your platform. I'll give you an example. For example, this one, ready to master SMS marketing. Click the three dot and click clone. Click the drop down menu and click schedule. And you can do 20 of October and schedule. Now it's a post created successful. Go to the social media planner and then let's click the calendar, go to the 20, and here we go. We already have the posting. The next one that I really love also with the Go High Level Social Planner is you can easily reschedule this posting. So to do that, simply click and hold and then drag. So as you can see from October 20, I changes to October 2022. The next powerful thing that I really love at Go High Level is this the post approval. So let's go here, click remove the schedule, and click the drop down arrow. Click the drop down menu, and then see send post for approval. Let's click this one, and let's say 2022 October, and select for approval, and I'll say KapUnity Canada, and then add note. Let's say for this one, sample notes, please check, okay, and then click schedule and send for approval. So this is one of the most powerful thing because when I manage social media account before Go High Level, I need to create WhatsApp, Viber, or email to send our posting for the week. So it's really time consuming for both of us because I need to send it to WhatsApp. The business owner need to open the WhatsApp and check every social media platform. However, with a Go High Level account, you can easily check the content. Approval is pending. Approval is Company Canada sent by Joey Moreno. That's me. And then if I want to change the posting for whatever reasons, maybe they requested to change the photo or maybe change the font. So you can easily click edit and that's it. So this is so powerful because number one, you're saving a lot of your valuable time to communicate to the business owner what are the social media platform that is approved or not approved. So using the Go High Level will really save you a lot of your time. And the next one is the statistics. I really love these pictures because you can easily check the progress of your content. If your content is gaining tractions or not, it's easy for you to monitor this one by going to the statistics. As you can see on these sections, unlock your business potential, course and tutor available, it says 5 likes, 1 share, and 10 comments. If I want to view these postings or to verify this, just simply click the arrow and here you go. You're able to see the posting here. So that's how it works with social media planner. And once you are here, you can create social media posting. I already showed you how to create social media postings using the Go High Level Social Planner. If you want to learn it, watch this one or click the link on the description below. But before we end the video, I just want to quickly show you how easy to create social media postings without experience, just using the right tool. The right tool is the Go High Level. So let's go here, click New Post, create New Post here, and then click the social media account. And you can easily add an image, upload an image, and let's say for pizza, and then let's type here your posting. So if you're a good writer, you have experience, a good writer, you want to write on your own, maybe you want to write it on your own language, just simply type here. However, if you run out of ideas and you want the AI to create posting for you, go to the AI button here, like this one, the purple one, and then change, put the title of your postings, give more descriptions. It's very important that you provide a very good prompt that is relatable to you because whatever chat GPT prompt that you are providing here, that's something that they're going to work on. So the more informations, the more clearer, the more it is easy to understand for the chat GPT, then they will give the result according to what you want. So make sure to give a good instructions with a Go High Level. So the next one is the writing tone. So I know some people, they don't know what kind of emotions they want to write on social media, but here there is a different writing tone, to put more personal brand for your posting. So if you want, let's say, you want your posting to be excited, you want your posting to be casual, so you have those options as well. The next one is the size of the posting. Is it short or large, like larger content? So this is something that you need to think about. And also, I know you want to learn more about Go High Level. I strongly suggest to do two things. The first one is go to our channel, subscribe because we create contents and share with you our expertise and experience on how to use effectively the Go High Level for your business. And the second thing that I want you to do is to join our growing community. To join our growing community, simply type in socialmediaexpert.ca or simply click the link on the description below. Once you're on the website, you will see here the green button on the right upper corner. Just click that one and it will redirect to our sign up page. So you need to create your account, simply enter your email, and create your password. Once you successfully registered, it will pop up this one. You can input or update your profile. I strongly suggest to tell us about more about yourself, what you're doing, and what kind of marketing needs that you need so that we can help you. Then the next thing that you need to do is to click the join group. Once you click the join group, scroll down and click join group. Once you click the join group, you will be part of our community and you now have the access to our coaching program. Once you have access to our community, I strongly suggest to introduce yourself. And also, you can access our coaching program by clicking the learn button. So the learn button, just click that one and you're able to access exclusively our coaching program. And that's it for tonight. Thank you very much. Before we end this video, it's me, KapJoey, the founder of Social Media Expert. See you in our community.